folks, we're here in Balgay Park today. We're going to be social distancing. We're playing frisbee. We've arrived separately, so we decided the most 2 meter apart social distancing sport you can play is frisbee. So that, what on earth? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to throw frisbees. I haven't thrown a frisbee for ages. Monkey puzzle treatment. It's way down the bottom here. Look at it. It's weird.
Hey, what is the name of that tree?
It's a monkey puzzle.
Really?
Yeah. There we go. We've got it growing up. There he goes. Right, well, we've just done the frisbee footage there, throwing the frisbees to each other. I'm knackered chasing around there. So the skit is going to be that we throw the frisbee. No, honestly, I'm knackered, man. Yeah, honestly. We're throwing the frisbee and then hand sanitizing, throwing it to the other one, another one hand sanitizing. We eventually just get fed up and go, all right, we've got some good footage from the air as well. So Frankie's going to end up putting all this together. Aren't you, Frankie?
Yeah, boy.
You certainly are, man. You certainly are. And George as well. George will be doing something on that as well. Awesome. There's George with his. There, yeah, absolutely, man. This is new territory for us. We're going technical and zone, and that's awesome. So we're back here again with George and his DJI. What's this one called, George?
It's a Phantom Standard.
And I have your pants. What's all that about?
It's
just a thing. You have your pants. I might need your pants. I think I've all that running around is right there. There's the thing. Is it working?
Yep. Just.
Well, we're waiting with eager anticipation there. Nice yellow shoes, by the way. There he is. There's the start of the show. Alan, who's tuned the frisbee to. Oh, yes, that's got no chance. That frisbee, is it? Oh, that frisbee gave us so much fun. Go get it, you lazy git. Oi! Just leave it there. Right, anyway, right, here we go. Whoa, look at it disappear. I've lost it. Like a bird of prey. Right, do a shot coming towards me really close so I can catch it on the camera, George. Yeah. Right, I'm just here. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Go for another one. I'm going to see how close George can get to me. Right, here we go. This is it. This is the height of my head here. Right, so here we go. I'm scared. Here we go. That was very close. Where is it? Where is it? Where? Oh! I'm getting buzzed by it now. Getting buzzed by it. Excellent. Whoa! There's going to be an injury here. I can just sense it. Wow! Awesome. George is obviously really good with this. Very good, George. Very good. Loving it. Well, here we go. Right, one more. Right, one more. There's the head of my height, folks. Way, he's gone over. Very good. Very good, George. I'm your pants. I can hear it. Oh, he's not good at landing. Oh no, disaster. It's broken. Oh no, that's 1,000 pounds of equipment there. It's broken. Alan's got a hit. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, Alan's in love. She's loving him. Oh, yeah. Oh, she wants you, Alan. Go on, Alan. Give it to her. Go on. Go on, Alan. Go on, Alan. Alan, get in there. Alan, get in there. Go on.
Filming that.
Go on, get.
Okay,
Yes. Yeah, no problem. Yes. So we're going to go back to Frankie's now. We're going to do a voice recording of the bog roll dealer skit. Remember, I did a fantastic job, but Frankie said you couldn't hear me properly. I thought you could hear me okay on it, Frankie, but...
Yeah, it's wind noise covered.
Oh, wind noise my arse, man, honestly.
There's a bee. Oh, the bees are on the ground just now.
They're off. I know, the bees are... Forgot that the bees... there's loads of them. What's going on here? The bees are all on the floor. What's happened to them all? There's some sort of bee disease at the minute. Yeah, the bees, I've seen loads of bees today, folks, on the floor. Oh, what's wrong with it? They're all exhausted.
Two within each other.
Oh, that one's away, that one's away. We don't know whether they've got the coronavirus. Yeah, you've seen loads of bees lying on the floor there, man. So I hope they haven't got the disease, the coronavirus or something. Maybe they've actually caught it somehow. This wall used to have loads of railings on it, look. Loads of railings, but the railings have all been taken off. So Balgay Park, here it is. Now this entrance here, back when the park opened in, I'm not actually sure when it opened, I can't remember. There was a big parade from the city centre that came all the way up here. Trumpets and a brass band, and the people, thousands of people was milling behind the brass band. They came up here and all the way through and into the park. And that was the grand opening of Balgay Park. Oh, hello, George, you want a hand up? You okay? Come on, George. There he goes. Right, folks, we're here doing the very professional setup here for the Frankie's bog dealer thing we did with Balgay Park a few weeks ago. Where George wasn't there though. It was just Frankie and myself. And I've got to get it right. I've got to get a lip sync just right. So the line I've got to say is, "Yo, Frankie, lay some three."
Spoilers.
Well, oh, spoilers. Sorry. Okay. No. Okay.
Start again.
You've got to have some faith.
What is that, Frank? Is that Sony Vegas?
Spoiler alert.
So user friendly, mate. It really is.
I'm not saying that.
Language on my channel, please. We're not like your channel. Now, this is not for children. Fuck off. If you're not a child, fuck off. You little bastards. We don't want you on this channel.
He censors that now.
Well, that was censored.
Right, here, folks, just trying to finish off the video. The most speaking part was my part. That was the main part. Frankie's part was about four words he had or something. That's all he had to do. So his was dead easy. Mine was the hard part. And getting it all synced up. Frankie's done marvelous. He's got it all synced up, folks. So wait till you see this video. It's going to be really good, man. It's funny, a funny sketch.
Sick of that guy.
Sick of that guy. Sorry about the language here, folks. Right, hang on. We're doing we're doing a talk. We're doing a talk with Jolly Jock live. We've got a three-way talk. Hang on a second.
Are you there, Jock?
I'm here.
Could you give us a knock eye for the channel, could you please?
Okay.
Oh, that wasn't a very good one. Can we get a better one, please? I'm good. Right, here we go. Come on, do it.
Okay, what are you talking about?
No, you don't want to do a better one. Okay, put a bit more enthusiasm. Here we go. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, that was okay. That'll do. Right. That's.
Okay. I can go up to it.
What about park bench? Park bench, everybody.
Oh, pack bench.
Oh, fantastic! Oh, this is great, man. I'm getting it all here. I'm getting it all on.
It's all right. The people at the moment are looking at me right now.
They'll be saying, what the hell is going on there? Who are they talking to? Right, that's fantastic. Thank you very much, JJ. Nice one, mate. Thanks for that.
Nah, that poke burst eyeball is the funniest thing in that video, man. I love it.
Can we just get a look at the? Can we get a look at the T-shirt, please, Frankie?
Oh, sorry.
Look at that T-shirt, man. Look at that. Isn't that some handsome chap on that T-shirt? Look at that. Brilliant. Loving it. I've got to get a picture of that. Hang on.
Take my glasses off. He's not used to my glasses. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Right, we're trying to get the cockatoo to whistle cars.
No way. Go on. Have I frightened him again, have I? No way! He whistles cars! That's fantastic!
Are you whistling? There you go. Come on then. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on then. You're stage fright now.
Yeah, I'll stay back, see what he does.
Come on then.
I've got him once, so that was fine.
Right, folks, here I am back in the Spiz HQ. I had a great day with Frankie today and with George also. Thank you. So Frankie's very kindly given me a shot of this AK MPK Mini sort of drum beat machine music kind of thing. I don't know what to do with it, man. I really haven't got a clue. So I've downloaded some software for it and I'm just going to start mucking about with it. But once again, it's just one of these computer things where you have to download things and work out how to get them out of the computer, and I just don't know, man. But will it be worth it? I don't know. We'll see what we'll see what happens. And I've downloaded a couple of things as well. 5 minutes, so I'll let that go down. I've got the editor for the thing. You know what, folks? I don't know. It's just what on earth is this? What is it? What does it do? What will I be able to create with it? I don't know. I've just plugged it into my computer and followed the instructions and off we go. So we shall see what it does and if we can get it to work. Because I have trouble, as always, folks, as you know, with all this kind of stuff. But as you can see, it's kind of... do I risk opening that? Well, we'll just try it. We'll see how we're going on. I'll let you know how I get on, folks. Back, folks, and it looks really, really complicated. Look at that. I mean, oh my lord, that's just come up on the screen after uploading the program software, and I haven't got a clue what to do. I pressed a few keys, but there's no sound, there's no noise coming out for some reason. Do I have to put speakers on? Maybe we should go to the help. I think we'll go and have a look at the help thing, see what happens. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Open user guide. Right, here we go. See what happens here. Well, folks, I've come to the conclusion that this is just far too complicated for me. Look, you've got to read the manual, and it's just all about setting controls for the knobs and the buttons, and it's just too much. I mean, there's too much in there. But look at that. I mean, look at this. There's no way, man. It's far too complicated. No, I'm sorry, mate. That's just... I can't. Right, folks. Well, that's it. It was just far too complicated. That was just too much. I'm better off just my analog thing over there. Quite happy with that and all the wires. I know it should be MIDI and just getting rid of all these old things. But you know what, man? I'm just old style. I'm old school. And I just can't help it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching today's video, folks. The future's so bright. We've got to wear shades. Yeah. Cheers for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Yes. As Frankie would say, I'll see you in the comments.